Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to understand how to install Kubernetes or basically enable or create the Kubernetes cluster so that you can practice and learn Kubernetes on your local desktop or machine. Okay, so it's very simple actually, very straightforward. You can first install Docker Desktop. Okay, and once you install Docker Desktop, you will find all these options here, and in this you will find this option of Kubernetes. And if you go here and you just do create cluster, you can even select the number of nodes. Okay, for your learning purpose you can just keep it one for now. In case if you want to have multi node setup kind of thing, then you can choose 3 or 4, but note that it will eat up your memory also, so make sure that you have enough space in your hard drive. Then you can do this multi node setup as well. For now I'm just doing single node cluster. Single node cluster, it will the both master node and the worker node will be on the same node. Okay, so that's the single node. And you can select the version which you want to, the Kubernetes version that you want to work on. Go with the latest version, that will give you a good idea about it. And this should be enough, and we can just do create. And as you can see, in few minutes, you will see that the Kubernetes cluster will be up and running. In the meantime, what you can do is you can this kubectl CLI command line tool. Okay, so this Kubernetes command line tool is called as kubectl. You can download it. So you can easily find it via Google as well. Just Google it out. Kubectl download on Windows or Mac OS or Linux, whatever you are using. Okay, and once you just install this, then in your command prompt, you should be able to see something like this. Okay, so kubectl should be up and running on your machine. So this is another important thing that we would need actually to learn Kubernetes and try out few things. And as you can see, my Kubernetes cluster is up and running here. It is active. Okay, and the number of nodes is 1. Right now there are no deployments, no pods, etc. No nodes, and there is only one node. So if I do kubectl get nodes, see that there is only single node here because I had chosen single node cluster. When I say single node cluster, both the control plane and the worker node are in the same node. And we'll understand the concept of namespaces also. We just wanted to show you the namespaces here. This is the default namespace. Then these are some of the system, you could say, Kubernetes related important namespaces. Okay, and the same you would see here as well in this list. So this is how you can start creating the Kubernetes cluster. This should be your first starting point, and then you are ready to actually learn Kubernetes and try it out on your own. Thank you so much. Have a good day.